Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the transverse wave. Particles oscillate perpendicular to the direction of energy transfer. By the end of this, you'll know which waves are transverse and why light is one. A transverse wave is one where the particles, or fields, oscillate perpendicular to the direction of energy travel. Examples: water waves, all electromagnetic waves from light, radio, X waves, and S waves in earthquakes. Three things. 1. Particles wobble up and down while the wave goes left to right. 2. Electromagnetic waves are transverse. The electric and magnetic fields oscillate perpendicular to the direction of travel. 3. Only transverse waves can be polarized. Common slip. Saying particles travel with the wave. They don't. Only the energy travels. The particles oscillate around their rest positions. Quick example: a rope flicked sideways. The rope moves up and down, but the wave travels along it. Light, the electric and magnetic fields oscillate perpendicular to the wave direction. Both are transverse. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in the subjects, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.